Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in survivor.io. To change your avatar in survivor.io, first of all, open up the survivor.io application on your device. From the home page, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the avatar button and make sure to select a different avatar from the list. You will notice that avatars are locked in this area. You will be able to unlock the avatars throughout the game. Once you progress through the game, the avatars will slowly be unlocked one by one. So that is how you can easily find avatars and change your avatar in survivor.io. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.